Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. HBAR is moving in this potential 5-wave move to the upside. Still not high confidence, as I said before, given that this chart is based on corrective structures. We have this B wave low in 2022 and then an ABC structure to the upside, which could have formed wave 1 that's really only a hopium count. It could easily be the larger wave 2 that's still unfolding, which could lead to a significant decline. I have mentioned already we were up here back in the day, no, it was in March, that we're watching for a deep pullback or correction, and people didn't think it would be realistic. But in crypto, a 50, 60, 70% decline, even in the bull market, nothing surprising. And given that the chart is moving in corrective structures, any breaks of support levels shouldn't be surprising at all. I mean, this is a support zone to watch now. We've got the levels at 7.1 cents, 6 cents, and 4.8 cents. Here I'm watching for a reaction. If this is the white count, again, it's a hopium count. The next rally could take the price to round about 44 cents. But we obviously need to hold support here. And what could be an early breakout signal? I mean, it's not the most beautiful trend line. Maybe we can even draw it differently. I'm just thinking about that. Yeah, maybe like that, huh? We've got more touch points, actually. It's a more relevant one. But this is quite a steep trend line. So in that case, at least pay attention to it. If we break above this trend line, it could be an early breakout signal. Even have a bit like a wedge pattern. So pay attention to it. That's something interesting. Yeah, that is something interesting. Even though I don't like the look of that wedge, not sure how valid it is, but it could lead to some kind of a breakout. Be aware that due to the high B wave, which we had, this was the news event, the C wave doesn't need to end below wave A. It doesn't need to. So it could break out at any point, and then just pay attention to it. And if then a 5-wave move to the upside or something develops that we can work with, it could be the early indication that a 3rd wave rally has started. Okay, if we break out of the wedge to the downside, which happens, then 6 cents and 4.8 cents is support. And it's all about a sustainable breakup. But that's interesting. Okay, let's take a look at the long-term chart as well for HBAR. I think we might need to make some adjustments. Sorry. To make some adjustments here in the video. But here you can see the support levels. Here you see the previously broken one as well. The previously broken one, as I said, because it's all based on corrective structures, breaks of supports are no surprises. So previously I already mentioned that it could be we're working on this wave 2 still. So that's obviously in the making. And then I wanted to take a look at long-term outlook, okay? Here you see also in the more detailed wave count, let's say the bearish alternative, which would mean a 5th wave down, but then from this top. Which I don't like so much because it's quite a high wave 4, but it's valid. And we could go down in wave 5, but that would only be preferred if we break below 4.8 cents. Also here shown that the rally would be an ABC structure, and then we should get a wave 4, and the wave 5 could even send us higher. Not convinced by this long-term projection. Bear in mind that on this chart we're tracking an ABC structure. That C wave, I mean, normally they reached 100% extension. We would need to see how this develops. 226, I find that too far away right now. I have seen C waves that only reached a 78.6 extension, for example, and that's here at 93 cents. I would maybe focus on that first, instead of not getting too focused on other projections which are not realistic. So let's see. Let's first see if the main support area is holding here between basically 4.8 cents and 7 cents. If it does, the next rally should take us to 44 cents if the next rally is a 3rd wave. And then we can get a 4th wave, and the 5th wave might actually take us to 93. That's the update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.